Hey everyone, I am Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am so excited you are here today because we are talking about a kitchen tool that is about to make your meals healthier and quicker, the Val Cucina air fryer toaster oven. If you are tired of oily frying or waiting for a full oven to heat up, this one is your easy way to crispy foods with less oil and more flavor. Picture air frying chicken, toasting bread, or baking cookies in one machine that fits on your counter without taking up tons of space, perfect for busy cooks, families, or anyone who wants fast, tasty meals. No more switching appliances or messy cleanup. This air fryer toaster oven makes cooking simple, tasty, and time-saving. Stick around because by the end of this, you will see why the Val Cucina air fryer toaster oven is a must for kitchen helpers and meal makers. And hey, if you grab it through the link in the description, you support the channel at no extra cost to you, plus you get the best deal on Amazon. All right, let us dive into the features of this cooking buddy. The Val Cucina air fryer toaster oven has a 26-quart capacity that fits a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or a whole chicken with 8 functions like air fry, bake, toast, broil, roast, dehydrate, keep warm, and convection for even heat. It uses 1800 watts for quick cooking up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and the enamel-coated interior is non-stick and easy to wipe clean. The door is clear glass so you can check food without opening, and it has a digital touchscreen for time and temp settings. The exterior is stainless steel, measuring 17 inches wide, 15 inches deep, 13 inches tall, and weighing about 20 pounds for stable counter use. It includes a mesh basket, baking pan, air fry rack, crumb tray, and recipes. It has a 1-year warranty and works on standard 120 volts. Price is around $150, a great value for the space and functions it offers in your kitchen. Okay, now for the real scoop, pros and cons after cooking everything from fries to cakes. Pros first. Number 1, the big chamber fits family meals without crowding. Number 2, 8 functions mean it replaces several appliances. Number 3, air fry uses little oil for healthier crisps. Number 4, enamel inside cleans in minutes with no scrubbing. Number 5, digital screen and presets make it foolproof for beginners. Overall, it makes meals quick and tasty with less mess. Now, cons because balance is key. 1, the $150 price is mid-range, not the cheapest. 2, it heats up the kitchen a bit in summer. 3, the 20-pound weight makes it less portable. 4, the glass door gets fingerprints easy. 5, no built-in light inside the chamber. But here's the truth. The pros make it a winner for most. If you cook for 2 to 4 people and want one machine for many tasks, this fits perfectly. Not for tiny kitchens or ultra-budget hunters, but for everyday cooking, it is a yes. So my recommendation, get the Val Cucina air fryer toaster oven today. It makes healthy meals simple. Click that referral link in the description to get it on Amazon with the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your meals will thank you. Before we wrap, hit subscribe for more kitchen wins and click the link to support us. What is your favorite air fry recipe? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching. You rock. If this helped, like, share, or subscribe for more. See you next time.